I'm so scared. Why did I agree to be in this? This is not right.
What is this?
All right.
This is not a skateboard.
Hey you guys, we're here today with Uzi Walker, Chris McNugget, Gabe Cruz, Carlos Lastra, and we're ready for a good heat! Oh! Alright then. My damn ear, dude. This is kind of like a good transition into the video we're doing because we're not gonna be able to hear, see, or touch anything, which is why I just acted like I didn't see it and let the bag hit me in the face. We are playing the first ever, probably not the first ever, sensory deprivation game of skate. So, sensory deprivation, we are gonna be taking away the most important senses for skateboarding, which are sight, touch, and hearing. You don't really need to hear skateboarding, but I think it's gonna make it a lot more entertaining.
It shows that you just go off the feeling of skateboarding, you know?
Fun fact, I can't smell.
So first off, everyone gets a nice pair of green gardening gloves.
Yes, I actually am gonna take these home.
You can take those home.
I will.
I was thinking about you when I got these.
I appreciate that.
We also have earplugs for everyone.
Oh, can I get a pair of them?
Yes, you can.
Fun
Sensory
fact.
deprivation filming.
Oh man.
Fun fact, my ear is clogged, I can't hear anything.
So I know I'm not screaming on this channel anymore, but if I happen to be talking loud, I'm really sorry because I have earplugs in.
What?
This is not working,
How do
Dan.
we know what tricks we
Just
do
squish
if
'em,
we
put 'em-
have
yeah.
blindfolds on though?
I will tell you.
How would you tell us if we can't hear?
What?
What?
This isn't working, Dan.
You got small earlobes, that's why.
I feel so deprived right now.
All right, that'll work. And for everyone.
Don't really need these,
I
but
get-
The story is Aaron was supposed to, I'm slowly losing my hearing, it's freaking me out. Aaron was supposed to be in this video, but he had to leave early today, so I will be taking over his spot with these fancy ones, which I was supposed to give to him, but I guess I gotta wear them. Oh, this feels so wrong.
yeah.
It's making my eyes water, Dan.
Wait a minute.
I can't do
You know
this.
how they have sensory deprivation tanks?
Yes.
What if we just start seeing things?
Huh?
Alright, I'm in a different dimension, guys. Where are you?
I can't see anything. Whatever you're doing, I have no idea.
I can't see a single thing, and I can barely hear myself think. Dan, can you guide me here?
Friend, actually. We're in the Braille house.
That's me.
Carlos, hey. All right, this is way harder than I thought.
Where am I going? This is the mini ramp. Do I have to go this way? I'm almost to the second room. I can feel that.
Go, you have plenty of space. Just push. Just keep pushing. Go, go, go. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Oh my god, that was submission, dude.
I did it.
Scary.
So scared. Why did I agree to be in this?
Whoa! I didn't mean to actually hit you.
Oh, ow! Oh! Dude, that thing's evil! No, no!
I didn't mean to hit you, I'm sorry.
I didn't mean to hit Gabe.
It's making me so mad that I can't hear anything. And in my own, only thing I can hear right now is myself talking. I feel like I'm talking so loud, but it's just in my ears. Am I talking too loud? Oh, sorry. I really thought I wasn't talking that loud.
You weren't.
It's like Charlie Brown for me. All I hear is womp, 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 womp.
I'm used to being blind. It's okay.
I really need you to be vocal and let us know if we're gonna run into anything.
All of you are gonna have your blindfolds off when you actually like.
No.
What do you mean,
Full
the whole
game.
game?
Yeah.
Well, I need someone else then. I need someone else to help. That's the case, you guys are gonna be going around blind the whole time. I'm gonna be chasing after people. Or at least one person needs to.
All right, I'll be the moderator.
Yeah, you can help me moderate.
Okay, guys, here's the thing. Listen up to the best of your abilities. We all have
Why
to
would I
stay.
want cheese?
We all have to stay completely blindfolded for the entire game.
The entire game?
The entire game. Dan and I are going to be the moderator and kind of tell you what trick is happening.
Let's play a game of blind then. B-L-I-N-D.
Yeah.
Sensory deprivation. We're going into full deprivation
Can we-
mode.
but we
3,
can't hear anything.
2, 1.
Carlos, you're first.
Okay, ready?
Chris always throws right.
Uzi, where are you going? Go.
Alright. Wait.
Just, it doesn't matter, you can't see.
True.
Uzi, you're last. Alright, between you two. Gabe, you win.
I'm just gonna stand right here.
Gabe second, you're third, McNugget. Carlos is first.
I hear who's over here?
Alright, Carlos, you're first.
What?
You're first.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Kickflip.
Already?
Yeah. Alright, Gabe, turn this way a little bit. You're at the 20-foot box.
Wait, where's the box?
No, it's far behind you.
Oh, okay.
Alright, McNugget, you're up.
Did I flip?
Yeah.
Okay, I couldn't even tell.
All right, Uzi, you're out. Just go.
You got this, Uzi. Kickflip. Dan, does that count?
He let.
We're blind. Anything.
All right, fine. No, fine. It's good.
We can't see, Dan. You can't be this harsh on us.
All right, Carlos, you're up.
I'm going back to safety after. Whoa.
To your right, Carlos. More. There you go. There's a block. That's his safety point. He knows where he's at.
Where am I?
You're kind of just in the middle of nowhere right now.
Oh, this is not right.
Wow.
Did I freaking do that?
Yeah, you just heel flipped. All right, McNugget. Roll like this way where I'm pointing your arm.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna suck. It's so much harder to bounce when you can't see. Dang it. Ah, that was close, huh?
You had that if you stayed on.
Yeah, I felt close, but oh well.
How you doing, Chris?
I'm doing great. I feel like I need to meditate more.
Probably a good idea.
I gotta be like on Talladega Nights. I gotta skate with the fear. Hey, watch this. No one's right here, right?
No.
Wait, you're like right here somewhere. All right.
I thought I was far enough away, but you still managed to crush my toe.
Why's Carlos cleaning still?
I can't see. I can't see.
All
All right,
heel-
I'm ready.
Heel flip, go.
Did he land
Did I do it?
Yes.
Oh, yes!
Well, shit.
Something's over here. I don't know where I'm going. I'm in the middle of nowhere.
All right, Carlos. All right, good luck, guys. Tray flip.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What is this?
All right, this is the, making sure this is the nose. Ow.
That was really close, but... No, Gabe! You threw it outside! All right, Nugget, tray flip. You ready?
What? I'm gonna stay right here. This is the one where I land primo and die, watch.
This is so much harder.
Yes!
Wow.
That was it.
Wow, yeah, that was it.
Sweet.
Oh, wait, what?
Is it my turn?
Yes. What are you doing?
Tray flip.
Okay.
Ow!
It was close. I kind of got terrified when I saw you up on those boxes.
Oh, it's on boxes.
I have no idea. Who's this?
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Is that Carlos?
Yeah. I got lost for like 14 minutes.
You stand up on top of the Braille
Okay.
drop.
What? It's your turn.
Is it my turn again? I literally can't see, guys. I'm not staging this.
If you go straight, you're good.
Straight?
Wow.
Dan, where are you?
I'm ready.
Where? Touch my hand, Dan.
Nollie flip, Gabe. You got this. Jeez.
No. I literally, like, I'm in a different dimension. That's what it freaking feels like. Can't even stand right. Dude, Dan, I'm trying. Dude, that is so hard.
McNugget. Hey, McNugget.
What?
It's time to do a nollie flip.
What? Carlos is cheating. Carlos, let me see your blindfold.
Close.
It felt close.
Are you in my way?
Nope. You're good. You can roll straight.
Damn!
Watch out.
How am I supposed to watch out? All right, I got a plan. Did I land it?
No. All right, Carlos, you're
I'm
up.
not cheating.
Oh.
Did he land something?
No.
Where'd it go? Oh, there you
All right, your turn, Gabe.
Where's Carlos at? Carlos, where are you?
go. Right here.
What is this?
I'm on my knees. Ow.
What is that? Is it my trick, Dan?
Yeah. That's the nose.
Thank you, Dan.
Wow. You landed that.
I trust my varial flips more than anything, Dan.
Hey, McNugget. Varial flip.
Dude, why are these guys so good?
That was Gabe.
Yes! What happened? Did I flip it too much?
Underflip.
As long as I don't land primo, I'm happy.
Is someone in my way?
Nope.
You said that last time and Gabe was in my way.
Why'd
I
you
think I almost had that.
You had that. You just stepped off. All right, Carlos. Varial flip.
Whoa. That did not work out.
You got him.
All right, Dan. I need advice. What should I do?
Half cab flip.
How am I gonna roll fake? All right, I'm gonna do double flip.
The recording stopped as you threw it, but I was more terrified for my life because I know you can't see where you're throwing it.
You're all right, Dan.
You might have thrown it straight at me.
You're all right.
You're set.
Can I do a no comply?
You can do whatever you like. Wow. McNugget did a no comply 360.
You're lying.
Wait, whose turn is it? It's Uzi's turn. Uzi, it's your turn.
No complied 360?
Backside, yeah.
All right, well, let me think here.
Your board's backwards, by the way.
Of course. I knew that. All right, here we go. Does that count?
No.
Why?
You need to actually pop it. You need a real attempt.
I can't have, I don't have a real attempt. I don't even know how that trick works.
Gabe, can you help me do your attempt again, Uzi? This is his real attempt.
Bro, I don't know what that was, but it sounded like it was legit. Sensory deprivation, that counts.
All right, apparently we're counting that, Uzi.
Thank you.
Carlos,
Dude, you scared the hell out of me, dude. Is it my go?
I think you're good to go.
Help! I fell down.
I feel so bad, I just want to help them, but...
Where's the board?
Carlos, I'll help you with this. Here you go.
Thank you.
There you go.
There you are. That's my friend.
Where am I, Dan?
You're at the basketball hoop.
Oh, where's the ball? Where's the hoop?
Nope. All right, no comply 360. That was definitely not it.
That's scary.
Yeah. What?
Who?
This is good.
Yeah, you're good. Wow, nollie backside 360.
Yes.
Well done. All right, Uzi.
What?
Nollie back 3. Do you want to know which one's the nose at least?
This is the nose.
No, that's the tail.
This one.
That's the nose. It's fine.
It was good.
Carlos. Wow. All right, Gabe. Gabe, it almost went outside again.
Wait, what was I at?
T.
Let me have another try.
Yeah. Yeah, just do what Izzy did. McNugget, it is your try again.
Sweet. How'd everybody do?
Gabe's now out.
Sorry, Gabe.
How do you feel?
Everything is so loud. What in the world?
What are you doing?
Fit to the box.
Is this full park? I mean, yeah.
I mean, this.
Yeah, let's
yeah,
do it.
Sure, that counts.
Yeah, all right, go.
That's scary.
Man. Where's my board?
Where's Dan?
Right in front of you.
That's right where I need to go.
I'll
Why'd
be-
you take my board?
Dan, why'd you take the board?
Thank you. Is this my board?
Yeah.
Doesn't see. It's not my board.
It's your board.
This is not my board.
It's your board. I promise you it's your board.
Alright, fine. Here, let me give you your board.
No, this is my board. You're right. It is my board. Are you in my way?
No. You want to rebate that?
Rebate.
Are you serious?
Now that I can see, I'm judging harsh.
What?
You were too lenient before, now you've just
I was
changed.
too lenient before when I was
I
blind.
landed that for sure. I definitely landed that. I gotta do it again.
What was that?
Are you saying I have to do it again?
You know what? Fine, I'll count it.
Give me that. Why? Why are you trying to take my board? No.
All right, Carlos. What do you do? Nollie big spin?
Yeah, nollie big spin. You're good. All right, McNugget.
Is my shoe untied?
Yes.
Crap.
This is another thing. Try to tie your shoelaces while blindfolded with gloves
I
on.
got this. I can't feel. Where's the hell the lace at? I gotta start over. This is so hard. Not happening.
Wait, Gabe. What?
Gabe, tie my shoes.
He can't tie his shoes.
No, you got
this, dude. He tried.
All
He
right.
tried. Look,
Where's my other lace at?
you're stepping on it.
Oh. What is going on? What did I just do?
You were just grabbing at nothing. It was
I'm
quite
trying to
funny.
find the other side.
Dude, I feel really bad because I want to help you all, but I shouldn't.
It's funny though.
Wow, that was really good. All right, Uzi, you got no one a letter with that. You need to step it up.
Okay, I need to step it up, huh?
Yep.
Let me just look into my bag of blind tricks. Nollie heel. I'm just going. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm going.
What you got, Carlos?
We'll see.
Wow.
What the heck?
Thanks. I can't see it. Somebody smells good though.
I'm by the door now, right?
No, not quite.
Where? I just feel like there's rail here, there's like rail there, basketballs on the floor. This is great. This is like a whole new experience. What the? Yeah. Well, I lost my skateboard.
Uzi, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Wow.
Wait, watch out, man.
Wow. That was beautiful.
I didn't even pop it.
All right, and now to our best contestant ever, ican'tswitchflip.org. Let's take it home. That's T.
Ready? I'm ready for you.
That back foot, I can't figure out where to put it.
Carlos, have you seen my skateboard? Ah, this is not a skateboard. This can help actually. Oh, got it.
Hey, go.
What is that? Whose turn is it? No one's saying anything.
It's your turn.
Turn on offense.
Let's try a hard flip.
Oh, almost.
My turn? Where'd everyone go? Wait, I know. Hold up. Okay, that's flush. All right, nollie big spin the other way. Just kidding, it was. I thought there was a wall right here.
Pressure flip.
Oh yeah, that's my last layer.
Count it.
All right, you ready? What was that? Why? Ow! Oh, I thought it was over there.
Where's my kombucha? Turn around, go straight.
Stop. Yeah, straight.
Where am I? Is this it?
Yes.
My dude.
It's refreshing.
Tastes better when you can't see it.
Dang, Carlos.
There you go. One more
Is
try.
that-
Crap! You won, Carlos.
Oh, I'm putting this back on.
Yeah. I'm
See if
here.
I can do this solo. I don't use my eyes when I skate.
No, I think the hearing is crazier. Everything
Yeah.
is so loud when you can hear
Your
again.
ears have a lot to do with balance.
I'm alive. I feel like I just woke up from a nap.
Being blindfolded, I realized like how little balance I actually have without my eyes. Like it's hard to be on one foot with like blindfolded.
Uzi was in his own planet as usual.
It gets worse the longer you have it on, because then if you like peek and then put them on, you're like, okay, that's there. But if you have the blindfold on for a while, then you're like, yeah, I don't know where anything is.
When I stole your
That's why I
board
had
from
that
you, I
corner
literally
there.
put it right back in front of you.
Are you serious?
And you walked away from it.
I pictured you throwing it somewhere or something.
It was great. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs.
Bye.